have gone through and spent time working in the financial institutions, banking systems, and then moved into to now I'm currently a CFO. And what I had found lacking in other systems that I looked at was a true disciplined process to walk down through, to say, you know what, you start here, you move here, and then you finish here. And that's what, as I started to scratch into Forex Successful Traders, that's what is provided here. It is a system in which to do it, a way in which to develop the discipline to be successful in trading. Then I moved into going into the trade room, and I think that that was helpful, because had I got into the trade room early, because it is a different tool than you're used to just looking at charts, I probably would have been lost. And so it helped to have gone through all of that and to get that basic level of information. And so I've been in the trading room now for about 2 months, and I found that it's been very helpful. Online trade rooms can't take the place of sitting down for 5 days with the guys with Forex Successful Traders and just learning the system. Going back and starting at the beginning of these are the pieces of it and this is what they mean, again, because it is a different tool than looking at a typical chart. It meshes with the chart, but it's different, and so you need to know what the different pieces are. So getting that level of education, and then actually moving it in and going through exercises of how do I use and function and see the different elements, and what does it mean in my actual trading, and then moving it in into taking some live trades, live in the market with the demo account, and just practicing down through it, seeing how to be successful using the system and interpreting the information that's there. To me, the time in Miami has been invaluable. The FxPM software allows you to see so much information condensed down to decision-making tools and elements that you'd miss on a regular chart. There's no way that I would have been able to get as much information about Fibonacci levels, for example, in one place if I didn't have the FxPM software. I think Forex Successful Traders is the way to go. They are looking at starting you with a good foundation of knowledge as well as a tool to use, teaching you and walking as a partner with you through that process and of growing and developing as a trader. But their philosophy is going to work really well if you want to sustain this like I do and say, you know what, this is something I want to do for a long period of time as a foundational piece to my life. They take the approach that says you don't need these massive, huge wins. If you just, on a daily basis or a regular basis, are getting good, sustainable moves in the market, good growth in your account, you're going to be successful. And that really is, when you look at it, especially when you look at Forex as a business, that's what you're looking for.